Welcome to another video on my driving robot discovery, made of fischertechnik and based on the TXT controller which runs embedded Linux. Last time I made the reconstruction of the hind wheel, right there. It maneuvers better now. It has two touch sensors, USB camera, an LED to signal change of direction, and the motor is propeller to signal if the algorithm is still running. Battery isn't fully charged, so I'm using the AC adapter, as you can see. Last time I had a problem getting access to the controller using SSH on the default firmware. And I found out why, because in the settings of the controller it turns out that SSH daemon, which is a service that controls SSH access, is default off. So here I put it on, and now I should be able to do it. Let's also check the network address. Yeah, that's not a problem because it's set as a host. So let's try and see if it works this time, and then I can upload my Python code and see if it works with the camera, because I know it does work with the Android tablet, but I would love to use it with my Python code. So let's see. So with the other camera, and you can see here the whole setup with the objects that are traceable by camera, and by now also this, and this might give a problem because with this terminal and all preset, which won't work, I'm afraid, but let's see anyway. Okay, remote host identification field. Yes, that means that I do have to edit this one, and more precisely this line has to be deleted. So yes, permission denied. Okay, now I'm in. I have to do the same for this one. I'm in. However, in here I do not have any code yet, so I will have to start another terminal for copying it. Now let's also do it this way. I should be able to connect. And I'm in. Alright, that's good. So let's check again. And let me pick it up so I can actually see what I'm doing. This is good. This is good. For the sonar I have to check ultrasonic, of course, but I may have to do it here and not here. Oh wait, That means this is ultrasonic. Okay, anyway, yeah, it's 8 that is ultrasonic, so that's no problem. Motors, let me do not do it full speed. This works. This works. Alright. Yeah, that's fine with me. Oh, motor 4, of course, for the for this propeller. Yep, very convincingly. That's good. Now I know that all will work. I have to copy the code to the controller. So now I have a little dilemma. Or dilemma is maybe a bit strong word for it, but as you can see I have some files here, Python files, and they are old. We are living in 2020 now, and these are the files from 2017 and 2016. So basically I should reboot into the other firmware, copy the code again, and then copy them and forward. However, I can do it right now and see whatever happens. Let's see what the default means. Yeah, actually all camera actions are out. So although it does start the camera, if I look at this one, it says no camera action. Next is no camera action and no camera action, because they are commented out. Do I want it? No, I do want the camera to be activated. So yeah, I'll have to reboot. Alright, I rebooted into the community kernel, logged in, which was quite easy, and then looking at the date and the file size. Date is 8 July 2019, much more recent than these files, but also 62 kilobytes roughly, which is much more than these two. So yeah, I do have to copy this one to get the full extent. So yeah, let me do that. One side note, by the way, I had to copy it from here. Well, I had to get the secure copy code on the laptop because the SSH server is not running, so I had to do it the other way around. Not copying it from here, but copy it to here from here. Sounds complicated, but it's okay. But another thing is, you see here the grey screen, no menu, which I've gotten used to, but I don't like it at all. This is the code, so I'm going to reboot into the into this part and see whatever happens. And the annoying part is that once booted into the default firmware, I once again have to enable SSH connection. So I don't like that, but it's the way it is for now. And this really should be working, and quite fast. And why isn't it working? Because it lost its signal. That is not what I like. Do I have an image from the tablet? That will be most interesting to see as well. No, not yet, because I have to connect to the tablet yet, to the interface. Now I'm connected. So let's see here. This is connected, and start and reset. Is this working? Yes, I have nice image, just like last time, which is good. Let me move the lamp. So why don't I have connection here? Now I have. Alright. So I do now the reverse stuff. To RoboPro, and this has to be 192.168.8.2. Which path? That path. I am trying to do it in that path because this way I also do Python. So, and Notlog is the company that made the controller. Look here, connection timed out. I hope not. Yeah, that is to be expected. Okay, so now I have discovered Python on the controller, which is good. Can it run? That is the big question. Because which version is it? Let me check on this one. Version 2. Definitely version 2. And what do I have here? Version 3. Will it work? I don't know. Let's check. So, will it run? Oh, before I can check will it run, I have to clear the path. Kind of. Lo and behold, look at that one. See here a major difference between the Python on the community firmware and the Python on this firmware. There's no computer vision. CV, computer vision. It doesn't know it. So I cannot use the camera on the default firmware. Ouch. I will have to look at the developers. Experiment partly succeeded because I can access the controller by means of SSH, as well as, of course, with the tablet to look through the camera. But Python is a no-go for the camera right now. Oopsie. And that is it for now. So partly succeeded, partly not. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. And you can show your appreciation by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired. And you can also become a patron, and depending on the pledge you make, may have your name mentioned on my website and with my videos. More information, please see my website, which is listed under this video, together with more information and also in the next short segment. This is going to be continued, obviously. For now, have a nice day and bye bye.